Good morning to We're Living with Paul and Gwen. Haven't been on in a while, so just bear with me. I got everything double locked here. Well, hello, ladies. Come on out. Come on out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on out. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, follow me. No, come on. Come on, tick, 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 tick. Come on. No? All right, don't follow me. You knuckleheads. No, I don't want them outside. I'll never get them back in. There they go. There they go. Go on. Get going. Come on. Come on. Let me do a perimeter check here for any predators. This is where the big cat, usually Tom, sleeps. So everything's pretty clear in here. Okay, you guys, go ahead. Yes. So I got a routine here. Seeing the weather's nicer, I'll open up this door here and let some airflow and sunlight in. Snow's melting. Spring's arriving, thank God. So I know I have not been on in a while. I've been going. Skittles, the cat, has been having health issues. I almost lost him a couple times, but brought him back from the brink. So you know how a cat has 9 lives? Well, the vet said he's got 10. So he's doing good now. Keeping him going within reason. He's still got pretty good quality of life, but so I just let you know what's going on. And the 2 kittens that we've adopted, they're doing well. What's going on, you big girl? Hey, you want back in? Honker? She now is stopped laying eggs. So now she's just a freeloading, free-range chicken, which I don't mind. Where you going, Honker? Where you going, dirty bum? Yes, I know. It's a tough life. Tough life being a chicken. So yeah, I come down here every morning, feed them, clean out their pen, and then I go back up and look after my cat, Skittles. So as I said, we've got the 2 kittens that we're looking after as well. Took them in, Pia and Ginger. Plus, I'm looking after a big 14-pound cat who we've named Lucky. A big female. I've had her on in a couple of videos. She's looking for a home. So if you know anybody who wants a good inside cat, she's litter trained and very friendly. And I caught her, I guess, about a month ago. I've been feeding her for 2 years. And it's such a beautiful cat. Would you want in? You want to go lay your egg? Okay, come on. Let's go. Come on. Get in there. Go on. Go pop out your egg. Go on, girl. Yeah, I know. Get in there. Oh, or go up there. What's going on? You want to see a little YouTube? Are you camera shy? You're camera shy. Yeah, she's freaking out. All right, I'll talk to you folks later. I gotta get my behind in gear. Gonna take the cat to the vet for his checkup. See how he's doing, and I'll keep you posted. So have a good day. We'll talk to you all later. Goodbye.